Hey everyone, so we have news of Apple buying so much crypto that this is just an unimaginable amount. Now, what's going on, everyone? Be sure to drop a like. This is some big news today. The outcome of SHIB will be insane. I see so many of us holding millions upon millions of coins, and I just think of myself, once the numbers get to where they need to be and we pull, wow. It's actually shocking to me just how many people will have a complete turnaround in their lives. It makes me so happy and optimistic to know that we will finally get a chance to live the life and our families the life that we want to live them. But it also makes me wonder, is it too good to be true? I mean, will brokers really pay out billions upon billions? Because that's what it's looking like. If it will come to SHIB, does it reach the dollar or even 50-cent mark? Well, it will never reach 50 cents. It's pretty obvious. It could reach, 1/10 of a cent, 1/100th of a cent. And the most important thing here is Apple finally bought over 2 billion in Bitcoin. Here's what Bitcoiners are saying. Now, there's a big rumor that Apple certainly has a thing for cryptocurrencies now. Will they be accepting Shiba Inu in the future? That's what we got to know. Its co-founder, Steve Wozniak, is already quite a Bitcoin fanboy. Moreover, the company had in May this year floated a job vacancy to hire a business development manager to lead its alternative payments partnership, so they might be accepting cryptocurrency. Was one of them SHIB? Is one of them Bitcoin? Is it Ethereum? It might be multiple coins. The most popular coin right now is Shiba Inu, and if this rumor is true, this is huge. Including in alternative payment providers, including cryptocurrency. Now the rumors mill recently on Twitter was churning Apple's alleged purchase of Bitcoin worth billions of dollars. The microblogging platform was heated up over tweets about Apple's possible announcement ahead of the mega purchase. One of them from the crypto news portal Chainleaks founder Joshua Romsberg. Hopefully I spelled it correctly, but rumor has it Apple will make an announcement today that they purchased 2.5 billion Bitcoin. Now, they haven't made this announcement yet, I think. I might be wrong. If that happens, I'll buy the latest iPhone today. I won't use it. I'll just keep it as a souvenir for when Bitcoin starts its climb to 100K. So if they did do that, they might keep it a secret. But Galaxy Trader was another Twitter account firing up rumor of over 2 billion Bitcoin purchased by iPhone maker. Rumors that iPhone has already purchased more than 2 billion in Bitcoin. Of course, Apple has not put any official comment right now. Nevertheless, the market seemed to have taken the news with a pinch of salt to Bitcoin's continue to dip without any momentary spurt. If this is true, 25%, 24% are saying it's true, 25% are saying it's false. And we can see the rumor of Apple purchasing $2.5 billion of Bitcoin is only that, a rumor. Nothing is confirmed so far. And he's the CEO of blockchain network solution provider Pack Protocol, the biggest public companies in terms of their Bitcoin holdings as per data from Bitcoin treasuries were MicroStrategy, because they're holding 3.3 billion, followed by Tesla, 1.3 billion, and Galaxy Digital Holdings. So I don't think they have bought it yet. If the alleged rumor turns out to be true, then Apple would be the second biggest public holder of Bitcoin. So if the rumor is true, that would be simply crazy, because this would mean that it's the second biggest wallet in history that's actually holding, the public one. And the second thing about this is they actually do accept cryptocurrency. If Apple accepts Shiba Inu, that would just be crazy news to me. Obviously, it's just a rumor right now from what we're seeing, but if it starts its climb to 100K, and thank you so much for supporting me on Patreon, where you have some exclusive news about this. I'll be further talking about that in my Discord channel, link in the description below. Thank you so much for checking out the Patreon. But people are already doing their promotion regardless. You can see here, SHIB Army. Every pallet has and goes out of the door today, spreading the word. And new data hints why Bitcoin price action has spent 2 months at 30K. 2 months we have been suffering. 2 freaking months. And it's time for Bitcoin to go back up. We can see over here, 2013, same pattern. Today, same pattern. 2017, same pattern. Research defends Bitcoin supercycle. The importance for Bitcoin not to break below 30,000 and fail to reclaim it compounds existing anxiety about a full-on Bitcoin price breakdown. Amid the unease, some voices caution that it's only desire to interpret events. And so far, Nunya Business, meanwhile, included Tesla's Bitcoin stash as a potential sticking point. Below 30,000, the user calculated the firm would start being underwater, which may trigger executive demand to sell more in order to reduce losses. As Cointelegraph reported, investors are already back in accumulation phase around 30,000. So we are not breaking the 30,000 barrier. If we break that, we're going to be dropping down to 24,000. Obviously, it's a crazy wild west for Bitcoin out there. Shiba Inu just following it like a little baby boy. But Bitcoin itself, meanwhile, is not as weak as price suggests. Regardless on your risk appetite, strategizing now is the key to not mix the next wave in this Bitcoin super cycle. So are we seeing, something finally happening? This is the pattern today. This was back in 2017 and this was back in 2013. And they look very similar. Same patterns, but these all went up, right? Here, we're seeing the same charts once again. So basically a super cycle that basically explodes and goes up in the air. If we check over here, we can see Bitcoin may have played a role in Tesla's decorrelation from big tech. The 20-day correlation between Tesla stocks and NASDAQ 100 index has dropped sharply. And is this the reason? Is Bitcoin the reason why Elon Musk's favorite company is dropping in price? Tesla is highly correlated to mega cap tech. This relationship has already decoupled in the near term. When I ask around, the feedback is that related to their Bitcoin exposure and how it will have to be accounted for when they report earnings. So this is why Tesla is dropping. Will Elon Musk save Tesla? He's already been saving Doge multiple times. He's been growing Shiba Inu. But right now, they got to report their earnings, so Tesla might fall because a lot of people are uncertain, and Bitcoin has a part of that. Musk was keen not to stress that he had not himself sold any of his Bitcoin holdings. By May, the close link between Tesla and veteran cryptocurrency had begun to unravel, with Musk announcing Tesla would be putting back from Bitcoin payments acceptance due to environmental concerns about energy-insensitive Bitcoin mining. But Australians are going in. The digital finance industry wants to legally recognize DAOs, and that would be huge for cryptocurrency. Basically, DAOs are the next big thing. They are decentralized autonomous organizations. It's a decentralized with a certain set of rules that are coded as a computer program, are usually based on blockchain technology. But we gotta think about SHIB. We're going back to SHIB again. Shiba Inu, a very early coin. With so many partnerships, if we're seeing some sort of a partnership with Apple, I'd be honestly really excited about that one. Seeing a partnership with SHIB would just make it go crazy. Like, obviously, it would accept other coins as well. Let's be realistic here. But even if they accepted in the bull run, they're hiring someone. That's the most important thing. Right now, it's a rumor, but they're hiring someone. In May, they have tried to hire someone, a business development manager, for alternative payment partnerships. So something is bound to happen. Will it be in the App Store? Will it be for an iPhone? Will you be paying, $1 million SHIB for a whole iPhone? That would be simply crazy, right? But that is still not out of the question. It's not out of the question. I think, Apple is a huge keen fan on this, and we saw this before. I already talked about this, how the Apple CEO or co-owner is backing up Bitcoin. And this is huge news for Shiba Inu because this will make Shiba Inu go to the moon. Along with other coins, your whole bag will be worth more. And I think we deserve this as we're being in this super cycle for 2 months now. I think it would be great if we saw some sort of a positive increase. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Peace, everyone.